M0FXB. Let's set up SmartLink on my Flex 8400. I've gone for the screenless model because I am planning on getting the Maestro, which actually has been ordered but not delivered yet. Anyway, when you log into your device, you look on the right hand side here. This is the standard window that you will get. I'll just go to mine. So here's your standard window, and if you've got to this point, you've already connected your Ethernet cable to your router. So that's fine, it's all working great. If I click connect, everything fires up. And let's just mute that. I am super impressed. I really am. I went to my laptop earlier and I was on one band, and I came to my computer in the shack and I was on another band. Super impressed. And but anyway, if we want to set up what they call SmartLink so we can use our Flex anywhere in the world, we need to use SmartLink. So and it will enable you, literally, I'm in England, I can go to Australia and use this radio. So we're going to go file here, across to, where is it? Settings, down one. It says choose radio or SmartLink setup. So I'm going to click SmartLink. Now I have already registered mine. It does log you out, and this window is the one that you get. And of course, to connect, you just click here, you select your radio first. So now we're going to go SmartLink setup. Now it says here I'm registered, so I'm going to unregister, and then start again. And you do need to press your sort of PTD, or press a button on your device, otherwise it thinks you're you're not really there. So when you click register, and then it tries to register via your Ethernet or your internet, and I'm pressing the PTT that came with the device or a button on it, and yeah, registered for SmartLink, and we're registered. And I did go here and I registered using my email, okay, just here, and a password, and then I'm registered. So now what you're looking for is you want a green light, okay? So if you see that here, it says network settings. And if you tap the down arrow, you can see this further expands the window. I think most of us should just use automatic and just go test, and you'll get a green light here. Mine had a green light just now, so fingers crossed it will come up with a green light. Otherwise, you're going to have to go into your router and open up the ports. They do give you the ports, and they're here. Look, 4994 external, 4993 internal, and it's TCP UDP. You've got to go into your router. Hopefully the radio is going to do all this for you. And if you look here, it actually gives you the IP that you'll need to set within your ports on your radio. Let me show you the ports on my router. So you want to click something like IPv4 port mapping. What I've got here. Now I've got a different router than you, but it's still going to give you an idea. So if I go to one of the ones here, and I've actually named it Flex, look. There's the IP, Flex. I chose TCP 4994, and that's it. And if I click the edit, you'll see them showing just here. I named it TCP. That, I know it says this is actually the serial number of the radio, but the IP address is here, 192. Port, and then I put 494 to 494, and I saved it. And that was it. It just started. And here's the other one, by the way. UDP 4993. And I've noticed now when I do connect, I just reconnect here. And it connects, and at the bottom here, just underneath me, it says client connected from, and it gives an IP here. And it's showing here available multiplex. There you go. I just clicked it then, it showed the green light. It's typical, isn't it? Look here. Green light. So that's it. Now people can find me anywhere in the world and just log into or I can just log into my system. I hope this helps you. It definitely worked for me. And I'm chuffed. I just love it. I love the fact that I can log in on my iPad, on any of my laptops. I know you have to pay for the iPad, and also I've got the Maestro coming, and I'm just really enjoying this system. Click the back arrow. So go back on. Let's put some audio on. Desktop audio, that one there, I think. Turn it up.
And I make 8 o'clock. and so I assumed it's in the evening. It's been a bit confusing, really. With
Hopefully you can hear that. They got this whole new, well, I don't know if it's new, yeah, but they use a term called slice. This is a slice. If I shut this slice, it goes quiet, okay? And then I right click, create slice. And then I can choose the mode, just here. There's other places to choose it as well. Oops, I want LSB. And the bandwidth, you've got band here as well, look. I can type the frequency. Press enter just on my keyboard. And then you just move it along. You've got step on the right hand side here. Let's go down. Oh, see all these blue little boxes at the top? Let me just show you them. Move this down a bit. Just here. Tick all these blue boxes and you get all more windows open here that you can slide. And down here in this control panel, you've got step, look. Just there. And so when you scroll your mouse on your slice, volume here, and at the top here, PC audio if you want it, or you can plug in your microphone. It comes with a Yaesu style microphone. And you can, at the bottom here, move this out of the way. Just at the bottom, just here where I'm swirling. That's your dual. Now, if you pay more money, so with dual receiving now, if you pay more money, I think you can quad receive. And you can right click, and when you're not dual receiving, because we can only listen to two at the same time here. So to get rid of the waterfall now, we just click the X at the bottom here. Single receive, but then we can go right click, create slice, and then now you've got two receives, which I think is plenty. And then we've got our antenna tuner. Just here, we can set the power. Scroll up a little bit. We can choose different style meters. We can choose to look at our SWR when we transmit. And then here's our tuner. I need to sort the antenna out better, really. If I earth it, it will tune a lot quicker. But you saw it tuning. Lots of settings down here as well. And all the different microphones that you can select. Cool, that. And I've actually got this controller that works really well. Not sure if you've seen it, called Control 2. And I don't think it's connected at the moment. I'll just check. I did connect it earlier. Dial. VFO. Yeah, I don't think it's connected, but it looks like that. But it controls many of the functions. CTRL2. And if you get the right one, you can actually plug a keyer into it. So yeah, I need to connect it. Once it knows the IP address, all I've got to do is tell it the IP address. And it will connect and start working straight away. And then you can go in within a sub menu and start configuring. So that's it. So anyway, this video is really about how to connect to SmartLink, how to use SmartLink, which is free. That's it. And the next thing I want to find out is, can I log into other people's Flex radios using SmartLink, and can they log into mine? Because that would be cool to watch someone else controlling mine. But if I log into theirs and they've got a super duper antenna, and then yeah, I'm definitely getting the Maestro. I purposely went for this one, which was a lower price. I mean, they're not cheap, you know, because I want the Maestro, which is out of stock at the moment, but I've got it coming in about 3 days. You know me. So the nice thing about the Maestro, it's exactly the same as the front of any of the other Flexes, 8400, 8600, 6400, 6600, same size, same everything, but it's portable. You can move it around. You can have those tilt feet, which they charge extra for, which is quite annoying. Or you can just have this metal stand that it comes with. So that's it, really. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Bye.